Good day. I'm Carmel Garcia and I'm a nursing student at Our Lady of Fatima. So today we are doing a post-mortem care. So first we have to check the patient chart for the physician death certificate. And then also we have to prepare the necessary equipment. I have some towels in here and some lukewarm water. And then now we have to ask a permission to the significant others to perform a post-mortem care. So ask the family if they wish to stay while we're doing the post-mortem care. So now we have to close the curtain for privacy. And then I'm going to have a look water on the basin. And then I'm going to wash my hand and then put a gloves on. Okay, so after that, if the patient have a jewelry, we have to remove it. So the patient have a jewelry and we can give it to the significant other. Okay, so we're gonna remove that jewelry. And then now if the patient eyes are open, we can close them. And then if the jaw is open, we can close it with a washcloth, roll washcloth and put it by the chin. Okay, so now we have to remove all the patient clothes carefully and then make sure that the patient have a clean diaper or underwear. And now we're going to do a bed bath. Okay, so we're gonna wash the patient from here and then here, and then clean the peri area as well and put the clean one. So now that the patient is clean, so give the family some time to view the patient and also encourage them to say goodbye to the patient as if they want to be alone. Okay, so after that, so apply a name tag on the patient foot and a hand. And then after, we can cover the patient with a blanket and secure it with a safety pin. Okay, and after that, you can also put a name tag on the top of the blanket. Okay, and then now we are ready to transport the patient to the morgue, and then take out the gloves and wash your hands and do the documentation that what we did for the patient. Thank you.